25 Sweetpeas. Today I have a fun, super simple, no tool required nail art look for you. So I am using 3 colors. You can use any 3 that you want, but I've gone with a corally shade, a pink shade, and a blue shade. So one is called, one is by Defy and Inspire, and it is called Made, which is this one here. I'm not sure if it's still available, but this is a Target brand polish that I absolutely love. Then we have the Heroine NYC Spun Sugar, or is it Sugar Spun? Sugar Spun. And then Heroine NYC again, and it's a light blue called Pico Blue. Y'all know I love these polishes. I use them so often in art videos. So first off, we're going to start with the corally shade as the base, which was the Defy and Inspire called Made. Then I'm going to put 1 stroke of the light pink shade. I'm not going to keep repeating the names because I don't want to sound repetitive. So if you need to know the names, they're in the description box below. I'm going to let that 1 stroke dry, and then I'm going to put in the blue stroke, and that is it. Like, at first I was like, this is like too boring or whatever, but I wore it for like 2 to 3 days and I absolutely love this design. I finished it off with a shiny top coat. Of course, it would also look great mattified, but the shiny on this, it was just so cool because, like, depending on which angle you had your nail at, it felt like you had a different color nail, and it was just kind of fun. Very fresh, very simple, and so like open-ended. Like, you guys could use so many different color combinations, but I've been working with a specific color palette lately that I've absolutely loved. So head over to my blog if you want to know more about the color palette, and be sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see a whole bunch of added bonuses with this color palette. I'm super excited about some things that I'm doing over there. It's a little bit different than usual, but I'm really excited about it, so I can't wait to share it with you. There's a lot more art beyond nails, which I'm super excited about. So that is it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more designs like this in the future, let me know. I know they're super simple and easy to follow, but sometimes you kind of just need that little inspiration to get an abstract design going. So hopefully I can do that for you. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon for another new video. Bye!